Okay, it's a good, quick, short. As y'all know, we love gravy over here. So why do the pads look a little different? Well, because I put a thing called Stop Squeal on it, okay? Stop Squeal right there from BG. I'm already on my second coat, okay? So yes, once I put that on, I'm done with the Stop Squeal. And then I flip it over and I put brake pad grease or brake grease or molly coat or whatever you want to call it. And as you can see right here, we are cutting the rotors. Yes, putting that nice non-directional finish on it. Guys, with this machine, we do not have to put a non-directional finish. It does it for you.